That's everybody. If we can break up to 1957.4, I'll take these gold calls. I'm on the 3 minute time frame as well. So keep that in mind. Let me make sure we're going about this the right way. Not too shabby. Okay. Does not look like we're gonna get it. Could be wrong, but not looking like it. Breaking my heart, yeah. Come on, push up 3 more ticks, and we own it. Really has to push up to point 0.5. Nope, it's not gonna do it. It's all good. It's all good, baby. Proud of you. Proud of you, Nadell. That's a great job. That's a great job. I'm glad that you held it like that. You're actually like the third or fourth person to tell me this morning that you've been holding your plays longer. That's good. I love to see it. Like I said, I'm trying to give you all the confidence in the world to be patient in trades. Because trust me when I say patience will pay. Patience will pay. You just gotta trust it. So it's a great job. I'm actually really proud of you for that. Proud of all my mentees, man. Y'all been killing it this round. Something I was looking for just now. 30 seconds to market open. Couldn't be happier. All right, market open. Let's see what we do today. Let me get off the 3 minute, go down to 2 minute. Ah, that's right. That's how it did. Now I see. Dang, crashed on the E mini. Absolutely crashed. All right, well, hopefully we get some ES shorts here in a minute, y'all. Yes, looks like it's gonna push to the downside. Crazy. Let me see some. Hopefully we do. I don't know why, but I love short market. Yeah, what's good? Ask away. Yes. So when it comes to Tradeovate, um, you're gonna want to make sure you have the CME bundle. It's like $12 a month, um, for the top of book level one, and that's what you're gonna want to subscribe to. But if you're on Trading View, it's just the CME data, and it's like $5 a month. No problem. Mm. Yeah, guys, I think we're gonna be able to take some ES shorts here in a minute. It's really the only thing I'm looking on right now. I mean, I'll check some others real quick just to see, but I really think on the ES, I don't know why I keep saying E mini, but on the ES shorts setting up real pretty right now. And on the 3 minute time frame, it's gonna look even prettier. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The computer's lagging. Hold on, everyone. Don't lag on me today. Oh, my computer is lagging so bad right now. Terrified now I get in a position. I don't know if y'all can see. Did I enter? No, I did not. No, I did not. I wanted to, really did, but I'm on the sidelines for right now. I want to see a little bit more of a push through, and then I'll get in. I'm not gonna say you're wrong for entering if you did. Just for me, I would have liked to see just a little bit more of a push. So yeah, I did not get into it. I don't know if I'm gonna regret it, but we'll see. Got this nice run on goal. Got this nice run on goal calls though that I'm probably about to take. So gold it is. If we break up to 196. Oh shoot. Wow. That thing popped to the upside, guys. Whoa. Sheesh. Sheesh. I see. I see this thing pretty pin right now. All right. Well, I'm in this goal position, so just got to rock out with it now at this point. But I think pop to the upside pretty aggressive. So, I want to see it hold and maintain and just keep on going. Other than that, I'm liking it. Can't complain about too much right now. It's just a matter of let's see something. Is this thing really about to go that far, bro? I wish my computer wasn't lagging so bad. I feel a lot more confident in this position. But I don't know if y'all can see, but my trading view, due to my computer, it's kind of overheating. So unfortunately, it's glitching crazy and I can't see necessarily the market like I need to. And I don't want to have to do it, but I might just have to pull up my P&L on my trading rate app, which I don't like doing. So currently just marking my original entry and my original stop loss because I like to move my stop as I uh, get higher and higher up into trades. So it's really all I'm doing right now, just adjusting everything. So that, well, not adjusting everything, but just marking. So that way, as this trade goes up and up and up, I'm not confused or anything like that, as to what I'm supposed to be doing. So yeah. Yeah, I gotta pull up my P&L, unfortunately, on my phone because I can't trust trading you right now. It keeps glitching in and out. Like, I don't know if y'all can see it, but on my side, it looks terrible. Like, absolutely terrible. It keeps opening and closing. Like, I can see it 1 second, next second I can't. The only way to fix this is to restart my computer. So we're not doing that. Let me see what's going on. ES and gold. Well, we're still shooting up on silver, which is good. Let's see what we do on ES. ES looking good. I really hate this position. It's not anything against like my entry. It's just for the fact that my trading view is lagging so bad right now. I really like to see the tick amount instead of the dollar amount. But whatever we gotta do, we gotta do. Almost at TP1, guys. Knocking on the door of it. All right. Well, everything is set. So now we're just gonna rock out the trade, guys. It's really all there is to it. So still pushing up. It's really all I need to see. I need to keep seeing, but I'm definitely locked in with this trade for sure. I don't know how to say it, but I think, based on what I can see, based on my confirmations, this trade looks like it has a lot of potential. I know y'all see way, way up here, you know, my final TP, but I don't. We'll see if we hit that. But for right now, I'm just focused on seeing if we can get even to my TP2. If we can't even get to TP2, then there's no way we're going to get to that one. So as y'all can see, the 21 EMA has now caught up to my original stop loss, which is good. It's what you want to see. Now it's just about seeing the 21 keep pushing up and up and up and up and up, because as that 21 keeps pushing further and further up, I can adjust my stop loss. So I'm risking less and less and less and less, making this trade very, very risk-free. So like I said, as long as that 21 keeps pushing up, we still maintain volume, I'm good. I'm really, really good. Of course, I want to see this push up a significant amount, but not worried at all about really too much right now. Just trusting the plan and rocking out with the trade. It's all good. It happens. It happens. As long as you were managing risk correctly and everything like that, it's all good. Like I said, in trading, the best loser always wins. We don't care about losses. As long as our losses are adequate and appropriate to what our account size is, you'll always recover. That's a promise. You'll always, always recover. Just want to make sure we don't have any news. Yeah, no, we don't have no type of news right now, guys. So, I mean, I want to see this baby fly, truthfully. Just spread your wings and go. All right. Adjusting my stop loss now, ever so slightly up. I'm gonna look on the 2 minute time frame, see how we're doing. Definitely not pretty. Let's check on silver. So we're still pushing up on silver, which is a good thing. As long as we still maintain a valid uptrend on silver, gold will more than likely just continue to follow and do the same. So that's a very, very good sign. right, adjusting my stop loss now a little bit more. Currently, my stop is at 1958.4. Original entry at 1961.4. So I'm risking 3 points even on this trade. But this has potential if it is going to go. This could go about 8 points, which on gold, it's 10 ticks per point. So this could essentially run up to 80 ticks. Or I do have a this would be a wild TP. I don't even know how to explain it. Man, this thing is pushing now. Okay, come on. Run up to 40, baby. Run up to 40. Run up to 40. I have a maximum TP of 150 ticks, which would be 15 points. So, if you break it down, I'm risking 3 points, but this trade has potential to run to 15, which is a 1 to 5 risk to, which is absolutely insane. I don't know how else to put it. And that's just insane if it's able to do that. But yeah, so we're currently at this key level right here that I have marked out. My TPs tend to be my key levels, and I like to see how we react off of them. So I would like to see a body close and push through. That'll really help, with me mentally, with wanting to stay in this trade. But for right now, we're good. Volume is pushing up. I see no reason at all to, get out this trade. Not that it's even on my mind to begin with, but as long as we keep pushing up and my stop loss gets lower and lower and lower, I'm liking this trade, guys. Really am. We just got to close above 1963.5 and then keep pushing up. I mean, obviously, but like I said, this is just a level anyway that that once price has come into now, it's come into 1, 2, almost 3 times now, showing signs of resistance. So, not ideally what I'd want to see, but we rocking out with the trade. Can't complain. Would love for a golden arrow candlestick, man. If we get a golden arrow candlestick on this push, oh boy. Let me tell you something. All right, adjusting my stop loss a little bit more now. Pushing about 25 ticks. So, like I said, I don't know who's been really following, but when we originally got in the position, right, our 21 EMA was down here. It's slowly moving up closer and closer and closer and closer to our original entry. And once the 21 gets to our original entry, which, fingers crossed it does, this essentially becomes a completely risk-free trade, because then I can move my stop loss to break even and let the trade do what it do. So overall, though, we got to definitely shoot pretty far past 1963.5. I can see that clear as day, that we are getting some pretty strong resistance at this level. So I am watching that pretty close. But as long as we maintain, bullish volume, we stay bullish on the MACD, the 21 keeps pushing up, I see less than no reason to really worry. I just don't want to see any type of red candlesticks, 0 red candlesticks. As long as we keep it green, we're good. Because as y'all can see, this is what I love about Heikkens, we just keep pushing up and up and up, straight green. I'm curious. So on regular candlesticks, we see some green, some red, some green, some red, some green, some red. On Heikkens, it's showing a clear as day that buyers are still in control. So that's just what I love, psychologically, about Heikkens, is they allow me to hold my trades a little bit longer with, more established confidence. Everyone has their own way, but that's just personally how I prefer to go about it. So the furthest we were up in this trade was about 25 ticks. And we have since then basically been reversing. But like I said, as long as we maintain green candlesticks, I still feel pretty confident in the trade. Not liking this candlestick though at all. Could definitely be a sign of a reversal. But I'm not gonna bite. I'm not gonna bite. Just gonna follow my plan and honor my stop loss. It's really all it is to it. Because one or two things in this trade is gonna see that's not good. But one or two things in this trade is gonna happen. Either I'm gonna win or I'm gonna lose. It's really all there is to it. Move my stop loss up a little bit more now. All right, so we're basically damn near back at my original entry. Still up, but just barely. If we can flip this candlestick from red to green, oh, this trade is so goaded. But I need buyers to step in crazy and flip the color. We'll see if we get it, but would definitely be a good sign. Come on, buyers, step in. Step in. Push that puppy up. Come on. Okay, I would hope that in the next candlestick, we get a green candlestick. And that should help us recover, hopefully. Oh, and it's a golden arrow. If we can get this golden arrow to hold, this is great. Oh, I really want this one to push. I don't know if it's going to hold, but this sure is a good sign. It's a great sign, actually. Moving my stop loss up a little bit more. So I'm currently risking just slightly slightly under 20 ticks. So like I'm in that 18 tick range. But nonetheless, like I said, the 21 is still pushing up closer and closer to my original entry, which is what I need to see. Um, I can say I'm really not a fan of this consolidation because basically every time we've hit this level around here, we've struggled drastically to break and hold through. But I'm gonna I'm gonna stay in the trade and hold through. Okay, we lost our golden arrow, but I'm gonna stay and hold through just because, like I said, I do trust the trade and everything else like that. And as long as my 21 keeps moving up and up, I'm essentially risking less and less. So I can't really get too bothered. I mean, does it suck? Yeah, from like a P&L perspective, but from an actual like managing the trade, not really so much. So we'll see how we do. But my box has gotten smaller and smaller and smaller. So as long as that continues, like I said, I'm not really worried too much. We're about to push down through my entry now. All right, so officially now red in this trade. I already know the next candlestick's going to have a flat top, which does not make me happy at all. But we'll see. Oof. Some rough pushes, man. These are some rough ass pushes. Mm, so our 21, okay. Let's see, the 21 didn't move. That's not a good sign. That's not a good sign at all. We're getting pushed back up, which is good. It's a good sign. Like I said, I want to stay in this trade, guys, but that resistance level up there, it's like every time we keep pushing back up, we get pushed right back down. So as long as we stay in the green, though, I would like to think we have potential. But what I don't like is how my 21 didn't move, like it didn't push up anymore. I'm not gonna lie, there's a part of me saying just, let me see. Okay, we're pushing back up. This is a pretty decent recovery. I'm pretty positive that we're gonna have a green candle as long as we maintain that, 15, 16 tick range. Uh oh, if this flips to green, this is beautiful. If this flips to green, guys, this is a beautiful trade, at least from like a recovery standpoint. But like I said, we keep running into this level up here, and every time we do, we seem to reject. So, as good as it looks, I need to see closes and push above that level. If we can get a close and push above that level, okay, we got another golden arrow. Let's see what it does. Okay. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. Let's go. Come on, buyers. Step in and stay in this market, bro. Just stay in it. Oh my God. Oh, let's go, baby. Oh, come on. Come on. Hey, man, this is a risk-free trade. I'm moving my stop loss to break even, bro. Screw this, man. Let's go. That's the pop I was looking for. Let's go. Come on. I'm staying in this trade. I'm not gonna lie. I'm okay. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. All right, yeah. Guys, this is a risk-free trade. I'm not losing on this trade. I'm not losing this trade. Like, even if this does pull back, I have a level set to where it's not going to pull back too. So let's go. Let's go. Oh man, that just let's go, man. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I'm trying to hold this to 80 ticks. I'm really gonna try to see if I can hold this up to 80 ticks. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see what the market has in store for me. But I think this has potential to run all the way up to 80 ticks. I'm not loyal to it though. Like that's one thing I want to say. I'm not loyal to that. I'm just kind of eyeing it. I have a level set to if this trade does pull back, I'm just taking my money and I'm happy with the day. But either way, this thing is ripping and running right now. So let's go. Oh, God bless the day though, man. Let's go. So we're officially going to close above this level now. Just, I know we got a little under 40 seconds, but it looks like all signs pointing towards we're going to close through this level, which is what you need to see. But like I said, I'm going to keep holding. Keep on holding. Oh, black water. Oh, black water. Mississippi River. Come on. And Jazz, to answer your question, like I said, I normally take a like well over 90% of my trades on the 2 minute time frame, but sometimes there are setups on the 3 minute, and that's really all it is. There's not that much of a difference between the 2 minute and 3 minute. It's just more of like a how I look for the candles to look like. But damn, Nadell, you ate today. 27 ticks on gold, 26 ticks on silver. That's a great day. But all right, now that we've recovered, I'm really happy with that recovery. That was an insane recovery. Like that was an absolutely insane recovery, guys. It really doesn't get much better than that. And I'm not going to say we're in this trade on cruise control because like I'm still in control of the trade on when and if I were to want to get out, but I have no reason to get out this trade and I'm definitely not going to. So I want to see this push up into the 40s. we're officially at the 40 tick mark. Oh, well, we just hit the 40 tick mark. Okay, we're at 40 ticks now, 45 ticks. Okay, we're at 45 ticks. Okay, we're at the 40s level, guys. That's really good. So now I hope everyone's still paying attention. Now our 21 EMA, all right, it is now basically at my original entry, which if y'all remember, I said this however many candlesticks ago. It feels like it's been forever, but this is what I want now because in the event, which I'm not going to let happen, but if in the event, right, this were to pull all the way back, I'm not losing anything. Even if this pulls back to my original entry, I'm not losing a single dollar on this trade. I mean, that would suck, but nah, I'm not. First of all, we're not even gonna let it pull back that far, but you know, still liking what we're seeing. And I'm not what I can say, I'm not liking this rejection, like this, candlesticks, but we'll see. Like I said, I'm still gonna hold this trade, and I have a level in my mind that okay, if it pulls back here, I really want to hold on to onto the trade as long as I can. But if it pulls back to a certain level I have set, I gotta get out, unfortunately. But you know, as long as we don't pull back to there, I'm good. I'm just gonna keep holding. But either way, I mean, I'm green on the day. I made money, so I can't complain at all. Mm, 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 mm. Come on, baby girl, recover. All right, so now my 21 EMA has now officially gotten back to my original entry. Now this is officially a risk-free trade 100%. It's now back at original entry, so we're good. seem to form a ceiling at 1965.5. So we got to then close above that level, if we want to keep pushing up. So let's see though, still monitoring the trade. Still monitoring the trade. All right. Order filled. All right, we're taking profit. That's fine with me. So, like I said, I did have a level set that if we pull back to, it's gonna get out. So, nonetheless, though, I'm pretty content with that trade. Furthest it went up was about 45 ticks. Just took my TP at around 24. So, like I said, I just didn't want to give any profits back too much because we never really hit a 1 to 2. And and that's fine, because I could have taken my full TP at a 1 to 1. So it's all good. It's pretty solid trade, guys. Pretty solid ass trade. And realistically, like I said, the 21 is now at our entry. So could I have waited to see how we pulled back and retested this 21? Yes. Did I want to? No. Absolutely not. Had no reason to do that. Like at all. Had no reason to do that. So simply put, was just not going to. Yeah. Yeah, we really profited a lot. A lot. And we might have a setup also happening on oil too. Question. How many machines? Machine? And guys, I can really say I'm pretty happy with where I got out at because I don't know if y'all saw that, but hold on. It's basically on gold now, retraced back to our original entry. So I think it's safe to say, well, okay, no, not yet. I guess I was looking at things wrong, but it's damn near retraced back to our original entry. So it's I don't know how much this will recover, but still was a great trade overall. Can't complain. I guess I'm kind of bummed out that I didn't get out at the 45 at the 45 tick range. That'd have been amazing, but we're probably gonna take some oil calls here, y'all. So let's saddle up and get ready to do it over again. Oh, I guess we can do that. Can I get it just a peacefully calm push instead of what's happened on the last couple trades where I get in or I want to enter and we just pop ridiculously to the upside. Okay. Or not. Or not. Nothing. So peace does not exist. All right. I love to see it. All right. So yeah, guys, I'm in these oil longs. Let's see how we do. 32, so... All right. Let's see how long we're in this trade for. Oh, all right. Let's see what we can get. Ooh, that's ugly. That's not the retracement we want to see. Yeah, so like I said, I definitely got out when I was supposed to on gold. We've 100% retraced back now. We're about a couple ticks away from original entry, but now we're here on oil, where unfortunately we are struggling just a little bit, just a little bit. 21 EMA is about 10 ticks away or so from my original stop loss that I have set. So when we catch up to there, like I said, I hope that everyone's seeing this, that like, as your trade moves up and up and up, your 21 should be following. You can use the 21 as a trailing stop. So, just use it subjectively for when you want to get out of a trade. Don't live and die by the 21. The best indicator will always be you. It's just a matter of, you can eyeball things to help you out. Remember which time frame I took this trade on. Was it on a 2 minute or 3 minute? I don't remember. I think it was the two, which would make sense. I think it was a three. I don't remember at this point. I would love to see us for once just push through our entry, which we have not been able to do. Like we shot up a little bit, but nothing significant. So we got to get close above our original entry point for this trade to have potential. Otherwise, we're just gonna keep on consolidating, unfortunately. But okay, there you go. Silver. I'm silver. Oil. My fault. There you go. Oil. Do your thing then. As they say, pop your twin. Oh, come on. You serious? Now that is a reversal. Went from being up 10 ticks, now we're down 8 ticks. Man, come on, buyers, do your thing. Oh, oh boy. Oh boy. No, I would love just once for me to enter a trade and there's no pullback, no drawdown, just I enter for calls, we shoot up. I short the market, we shoot down. Wouldn't that just be nice? We keep flirting with my entry, right? But we can't seem to close above it. Every time we push above, we get pushed back down. So at least I know that, if we do close above, it should hold because then my entry will act as a support level and hopefully support the trade all the way up. Yeah, you can't make more than 50%. It's either 40 to 50% of total whatever your challenge is in a day. It's either 40 or 50%. I think it does depend on the account you get. I do believe if you get the 100, you can't make more than 50% of your profit target in a day. And if you get 100 and below, it's 40%. But I could be wrong. But you have to purchase the challenge. And when you purchase the challenge, they'll send you a PDF of the rules and stuff like that. So, but that's for Take Profit Trader. Yeah, definitely go check your email. You should have got a PDF. At least it shows up in Gmail. All right, guys. Like I said, we got about 30 seconds. If we can close above this level, like I said, that's really good for us in this trade. Whether it holds, time to tell. But we gotta at least show potential strength. Something just has to hold above this level. Oh, come on, every single time. All right, we just barely closed above the level. But let's see what we do. I'm adjusting my stop loss slightly because now the 21 has caught up to my original entry, which is good. So I'm able to adjust my stop loss slightly, moving it up and up and up. Just a quick, are y'all enjoying this, by the way? Like, is this enjoyable for y'all? Does it help anyone? Just out of curiosity. Like how I talk through the trade, manage myself emotionally. I don't know, like, am I being a good person? I hope so. Because trust me when I say I fight the same emotions everyone else here does. It's just a matter of, thinking bigger picture sometimes and not focusing on where I'm at right now, but where do I want this? Where do I think this trade can go in the future? You know, because at the end of the day, when the market closes and I have to sit back and look at my trades for the day, I want to be happy with my performance. So as long as I can say that I am, I don't really care about too much else. And once again, we're forming another, like, really, this level here, this 770405, it's really giving me hell. Every time we hit it, we push back down and push back down and push back down. So I now have 4 points. Like, I'll say this much, I'm really big on, honoring my stop loss. The only thing that can get me to, I don't want to say compromise my stop loss, but the only thing that can get me to go against the grain of when I would want to get out of the trade is if we run into a key level of resistance if I'm in for calls, or support if I'm in for shorts. That's probably the only thing that can make me get out of a trade early, because if the market's showing me a clear level that we can't break above, then it's just best to, just get out and, see if once we break above that level, can we make structure and then continue onward. So now, clearly, that's not the case right now. I'm not even going to sit here and say I'm worried, but we got to break above that 7705 level for sure. Oh, that's not good. But yeah, adjusting my stop loss a little bit more. Oh, yikes. Uh-oh. Oh, man. I am so hungry, by the way. Cannot wait to go eat after this. How could I be thinking about food in the middle of a trade? That's a great question. That's a fantastic question. I just know I'm hungry, honestly. Come on, flip this candle green and make it stay green. Come on, oil. You really got to work with me. You got to work with me, oil. You got to work with me. If this can push up to 7, 8 ticks, I think we'll close green. But we have to close up to that 7, 8 tick range. I think it'll hold. It's flirting with that red, green, red, green, red, green. But all this fish boning is disgusting. I can tell you that right now. Pick a direction is exactly right, Fab. But I just want this candle to close green. For the sake of the trade, I just need this candle to close green. As long as we continue to close green, like I said, I think we're pretty okay. But I just need to close green. Oh, whoo, we got it. Let's go. Barely, but I'll take it. I'll take it, damn it. I can work with that. Not gonna lie, this trade does not have the strength that I thought it did. We're gonna adjust this. This is way too much consolidation for my liking, though. I can tell y'all that right now. Move my stop loss up a little bit. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay. We can work with that. We can work with that. No, don't be afraid. Go back up, please. Make my day. Make my day. We are not, we can work with that. By all means, go back up. Now you was just at 16 ticks. Do your thing. I ain't gonna stop you. Now you're back down at 5. I am not, I promise you, I am not gonna stop you. 4. All right. Okay. Playing with my heart now. 3. That's not it. You're going the wrong way. Back at entry. That's definitely not the right way. Okay. So he popped up to 16. Now we're back at my entry. Like I said, man, this freaking this level here is aging me. This 7705 level, I need to get a body to close above that level. Like I really need a body to close through that level. So bad. I just need one body. Well, no, not one body. I need a few bodies to close through that level. Come on, volume. Work with me, damn it. Please. Pretty please. I'm begging. Baby, I'm begging, baby, I'm begging, begging, begging. Yes, NAS 100 is NQ, but that's the 4X version. We got to close above this level here, though, yo. Like expeditiously bad. We need to close. Okay, so on the 2 minute time frame, though, we have a golden arrow candlestick. So I'm gonna watch to see how we react in the two. But man, this price action is terrible. This is some horrible price action. Oh my gosh. And we lost our arrow. That's not good. This price action is so bad right now. Like it's so choppy. I can't stand it. Like if I'm gonna get out this trade, it's not even because of really anything other than I just hate how we're moving. Like we push up and then come back down, push up, come back down. Like this is a very key level right here. This 7705 is like I said, it's beating on me for real. All right, fun's over. This is pushing way too crazy. Let's see how we react on this next candlestick. I'm probably gonna get out though. I'm gonna get out. I'm not even gonna. It's probably gonna hit it anyway. So, yep, it hit my stop loss anyway. So, safe to say, should have got out. Just was unable to break above this damn resistance level. But I definitely got out at the right time. So, I don't need to see anything more. Just really unfortunate. Really, really unfortunate. We just hit this 7705 level and we were never able to recover. And I'm not gonna wait to see, if we bounce off the 21. Like, no, it's good. I'd much rather, stay green on the day, which I still am. Like, of course, gave some profits back to the market, but it's just one of them things, man. Just one of them things. Why, oil? Why did you have to do me like this? It's all good though. A win is a win. Yeah, a win is a win. Yeah, see now, if I wasn't out, I promise you I'd be out now. Like I need to see no more. So ironic enough, price did not close through the 21 EMA, which is kind of funny to me. So let me see something. We pushed through it pretty bad, but never close through. But nonetheless, I think I'm gonna stop that recording now.